What up, good people? Did you know there are only 2 SUVs left in America with a manual transmission? So the first run-up is the Ford Bronco. The Ford Bronco was reintroduced in 2020 with a manual transmission and an automatic transmission. If you want to go with a manual transmission, you can get the same MPG with an automatic transmission. But guess what? You can have more control with your manual transmission. So you still got that man pedal, that third pedal, you know what I'm saying? You just ripping through gears and you feeling good with a brand new Ford Bronco. Yes, I said it. With a 2024 Ford Bronco, yes. Still looking good. That manual transmission still ripping through gears. You feel so good about yourself when you're driving that manual transmission. It's like, you going through them gears. You feel like you got more control than a automatic gearbox. Just, yeah. There are only 4 trim levels in the Ford Bronco that you can only get a manual transmission. So make sure you get the right trim level with the Ford Bronco before you can get that manual transmission. One of them that I know is the Black Diamond. So the next run up is the OG off-roader, the Jeep Wrangler. So yeah, you got rocks, doors off, and you got the manual transmission in your hand. Yeah, you feel like you're in full control. Guess what? Going up those rocks and you just ripping through those gears like it's no one's business. You like, boom, you know what I'm saying? So yes, I haven't been off-roading, but I've seen people and it looks a lot of fun, especially with a manual transmission when you got that full control of that transmission. Like, yeah, you can go through the first gear and the second gear or stay in first gear. The Jeep Wrangler is the OG. If they get rid of the Jeep Wrangler manual, you might well just go ahead and kill off the Jeep Wrangler altogether because of the fact that who don't know what a Jeep Wrangler is? Jeep Wrangler is for off-roading. And if you're gonna get a Jeep Wrangler, you're gonna get that manual transmission. Bump that auto, you're gonna get that manual transmission. Here are some of the SUVs that we lost along the way. The Subaru Crosstrek, the Hyundai Venue, the Kia Soul, the Jeep Compass, and the Mini Countryman. Man, they was pretty good with that manual transmission, but we lost them. But yeah, we just got 2. It's still standing strong. But if you're enjoying this video, go ahead and smash that thumbs up button. If you're not part of our Artofspeedd family, go ahead and that subscribe button. Yo, welcome to the family. I look forward to seeing you next video.